Hola amigos! Did you know that even before science made GMO, farmers were already mixing plants to make better ones? That's right. Humans have been improving crops for thousands of years. GMO just make it faster and smarter. Now, let's find out what is a GMO. Are you ready? If yes, say it with me. Vamonos. Again, vamonos. Wow, incredible. A GMO or genetically modified organism is any living thing, like a plant, animal, or tiny microbe, whose DNA has been changed by scientists. This is done using special technology to give the organism new abilities that it doesn't naturally have. For example, scientists can take a gene from one organism and put it in another to make it stronger, healthier, or more useful. This process is called genetic engineering.
Did you know that there are many genetically modified organisms here in the Philippines? But these are the top three, which is the BT eggplant, BT corn, and the golden rice, which is approved by the DABPI, DNREMB, DOHBFAD, and DOSTPCAARRD. Let's proceed first sa BT eggplant. So, ang BT eggplant was later developed by the University of the Philippines, Los Baños, and was granted a biosafety permit by the Bureau of Plant Industry of the Department of Agriculture here in the Philippines. So, ang BT eggplant ay naga-contain siya ng Bacillus thuringiensis or the BT gene na kung saan naga-produce siya ng natural toxin or the crytoxin na naga-disrupt sa digestive system ng eggplant fruit and shoot borer na naga-lead sa death niya. But it was harmless for human consumption and other animals consumption. Ang benefit nito ay naga-reduce siya ng pesticide use, naga-increase ng yield, and naga-improve ng fruit quality. So the next one is the BT corn. So just like the BT eggplant, BT corn is genetically modified variety engineered to be resistant sa Asiatic corn borer or the Austriana fornicalis, which is one of the major pests sa corn here in the Asia. So kapag na-left siya untreated, it can cause a significant loss of yield. And the last one is the golden rice, now we call malusog rice, which is bioengineered to produce beta-carotene or the precursor of vitamin A. So it is called golden because of the presence of the beta-carotene, which is responsible for the orange and yellow color of plants. So it is developed to address the vitamin A deficiency, which is a major health problem in many developing countries, including the Philippines.
Muy bien, muy bien. Now, do you want to know the benefits of GMO for farming and crops? I can't hear you. That's it. Then come with me. GMO crops help farmers grow more food with less effort. They can increase harvest, control pests and weeds, survive tough weather, save money. GMO make farming easier, cheaper, and more productive.
Alam niyo ba na nakakatulong ang GMO sa kalusugan natin? Well, firstly, pinapataas nila ang nutrition, gaya ng golden rice na may vitamin A laban sa malnutrition. Pangalawa, mas matibay sila sa pests at diseases. Kaya mas mataas ang ani, mas mura ang pagkain. And according sa WHO at US FDA, ligtas kainin ng GMO foods kasi mahigpit ang testing bago ibenta. Kaya all in all, nutritious, safe, at nakakatulong sa food security ang GMOs.
Advantages of GMO to our environment. So first, water conservation. Grow with less water through drought-resistant crops. Next, reduce chemical use, resist pests, and need fewer chemicals. Next is nutritional enhancement. Have more vitamins or protein for more healthier food. And pangapat, economic sustainability. Need less flowing, reducing erosion and pollution. And lastly, climate change adaptation. Survive extreme weather for stable food supply.
So to Filipino farmers, due to increased yield of GMO crops like GM corn, so sa tingin nyo ba tumataas or bumababa ang income? Of course, tumataas ang income. It's because the national average yield of GM corn is double or triple kumpara sa non-GM corn. Pero sinasabi na itong mga GM crops na ito is hindi siya sustainable means to provide food as they compromise the environment, livelihood of farmers, and health of consumers. So to the Philippines environment, since itong mga GM crops na to is meron na silang natural resistance to pests sa kanilang genes, of course, tama, nababawasan yung paggamit ng pesticides and chemical insecticides. So nakakatulong to para maiwasang ma-harm yung environment. So isa sa negative effects nito is sinasabi ng ibang scientists na nagke-carry ang GMO ng uncertainties na pwedeng makasira sa biosafety, biodiversity, and agriculture ng Pilipinas.
Positive effect of GMOs. It gives better food quality by resisting pests and diseases, keeping food fresh and healthy. They improve nutrition by adding vitamins and minerals and make food more affordable since higher yields lower cost. And now is the negative. Some people fear possible health issue from GMO effect. There's also lack of information for consumer and loss of food diversity as traditional crops are replaced. Positive effect of GMOs. It gives better food quality by resisting pests and diseases, keeping food fresh and healthy. They improve nutrition by adding vitamins and minerals and make food more affordable since higher yields lower cost. And now is the negative. Some people fear possible health issue from GMO effect. There's also lack of information for consumer and loss of food diversity as traditional crops are replaced. Positive effect of GMOs.
Now, alam niyo ba na ang Philippines ang unang bansa sa Asia na nag-commercialize ng biotech corn noong early 2000s? Yes, and because of this, tumaas ang ani at kita ng mga magsasaka at mas umunlad ang rural economy. Naging multi-billion peso industry na rin ito. But hindi lahat positive. May ilang farmers na nabaon sa utang dahil sa mahal na binhi at pesticide. At may pangamba rin sa kalikasan at epekto nito sa kalikasan. Now, alam niyo ba na ang Philippines ang unang bansa sa Asia na nag-commercialize ng biotech corn noong early 2000s? Yes, and because of this, tumaas ang ani at kita ng mga magsasaka at mas umunlad ang rural economy. Naging multi-billion peso industry na rin ito. But hindi lahat positive. May ilang farmers na nabaon sa utang dahil sa mahal na binhi at pesticide. At may pangamba rin sa kalikasan at epekto nito sa kalikasan. Now, alam